When I don't have makeup on, I still feel confident because I'm free. It's just when I feel most myself. But when I have the makeup on, I put my lashes, I put my brows, my lips, my highlight, girl, I'm the bad one. I have alopecia. It's an immune disease that attacks the hair follicles of the body, which makes your hair fall out. I am a very confident person. It was only hard in school. It would be pointing and whispering and, oh, she's bald. I really did contemplate like suicide because the bullying got really bad. They don't understand that it hurts. Words do hurt. I knew who I was and I knew what I was. But thanks to my mom, since the moment I would wake up till I would go to sleep, it was, you're beautiful. And she made me a very strong person, very. God took my hair, but he gave me awesome skin, so I love my face. With what I have, it just made me even happier to know that I could help other people feel as confident as I do. I feel like Sephora was made for me. I love Sephora because they acknowledge everybody's beauty. It's okay to not have hair. Hair is an accessory. Just like my bracelet, it's an accessory. We don't really need it. You're beautiful without it. And I'm so lucky to be at Sephora inside JCPenney. And my team, they're awesome. Even when I went to my interview, I had a wig and I asked my boss, do I have to wear this wig? Like if I decide I want to take it off? And she's like, this is Sephora. You can be you. And I'm like, oh, yes.